I went back into learning because leaving school a long time ago in 1968, with very few qualifications, I just felt that I needed to perhaps study as more of a hobby, if anything.
Well, we get a whole range of students with the Open University, and some are a bit shy and some a bit uncertain that they might be slapped down. They put some comments in the forum, but Mal was very positive and he put comments on very quickly. He encouraged other students to become involved and give them positive feedback, and that gave them a bit of confidence really with the course.
You make a tremendous amount of friends. Another part of distance learning is it gives you loads and loads of confidence. From my point of view, it's become a hobby because my work is entirely voluntary as a mascot for Nightingale House. It's actually called Norris the Nightingale, named after Norris in Coronation Street, who's a patron of the hospice.
Mel has progressed really in his confidence and his ability to handle technology and the phone. He was a bit uncertain with the telephone tutorial at first, but he's very confident now.
I've got my degree in health and social care. I've also done Open University short courses in, for example, they do one on photography. I've done the geology courses, astronomy courses, and in total I've got 19 passes. So I've got 2 diplomas, 5 certificates, and an honours degree.
My message to Mal is congratulations for getting this award. I think he deserves it. I think he's worked very hard and he's made a very positive contribution to the course I teach and to other students.
The support that you get is, I would say, 101%. They're so good. They're so caring. You can talk through your course choices with people in your own time. You can do courses over the internet. There is so much encouragement for people there. All you need to do is just ask that one question. Can you help me? I'm interested in doing a distance learning course. And bingo, you'll be sold on it. And as I say about the magic.